Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin right away with the materials and the first cuts. Use heavy cardstock so the medkit holds shape. Once you pick paper, measure a 120 mm by 80 mm rectangle and mark a clear center line. Score two 10 mm edge tabs for folding. Score shallow lines where the lid will crease so folds stay crisp. Cut slowly along the edges to avoid tearing and keep scraps organized. Once cut, fold the tabs inward and crease all scored lines sharply to prepare for assembly. Next, form the main body and lid with careful glue work. Fold along the center line to make shallow box walls, then apply glue to each 10 mm tab and press for 15-30 seconds to set. Use a pin to remove air pockets. For the lid, cut a rectangle 2 mm smaller so it fits snugly and score a 4 mm lip to tuck inside. Reinforce the corners with triangular inserts or double strips. This gives rigidity and keeps the lid from collapsing when handled. Complete the medkit by adding texture and closure details. Paint or apply a printed skin, then glue a white paper cross centered on the lid for authenticity. Once dry, seal internal seams with clear tape to protect glue joints. For a secure closure, add a small magnet or tiny Velcro square hidden inside the lid. If the lid is too tight, gently sand or trim 0.5 to 1 mm from the perimeter evenly, and make sure to test fit frequently so you don't over-trim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.